What up, y'all? This is Tracy from Nerd Squish, and today we're talking about Jason Universe at Halloween Horror Nights 34. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, one of the most iconic slashers in horror history, Jason Voorhees, is coming to Halloween Horror Nights, and I am so excited. Not so excited about the craziness that is my hair right now, but we're going with it, okay? And it's only appropriate that we get this announcement today on June 13th, 2025, because this is the only Friday the 13th in this year, as well as June 13th is Jason's birthday, so happy birthday, Jason Voorhees, because we're doing your birthday right. We're celebrating, we got Halloween Horror Nights house, and it's just, life is good. Some would even say it's serendipitous. Now, before we get into all the details, this is Nerd Squish, where we take everything spooky and we take everything nerdy and we squish it all together. So if you like Halloween, horror, and pop culture, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos from us in the future. Now let's see what Halloween Horror Nights has to say about their second house this year, because yes, I'm not counting Five Nights at Freddy as like, you know, that and Fallout is 1 and 2, until Five Nights at Freddy is like officially official? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, roll that beautiful bean footage. Come face to face with the iconic horror villain Jason Voorhees. Step into the terrifying world of this silent killer. Flee through the woods and into his sinister shack. Enter the summer camp where his gruesome legend began. Jason is back and nothing can save you now. Alright, with this trailer, we see that we do have a theme for the trailers this year. Similar to Fallout, we're basically watching a TV in a room that is themed to the property. In this one, you can see a Camp Crystal Lake sign, you can see a hockey mask, a Jason poster, and even a poster from last night's Halloween Horror Nights. It's kind of cool. It's also kind of lazy. Lily is very upset about the laziness of this trailer. But you know what I mean. Normally the trailers are a big production, it's a whole story, and they all kind of link together, and this one just feels very AI on a budget kind of a situation, which I get. Okay, we've spent a lot of money on a lot of epicness at Universal lately, so we gotta cut corners somewhere. This isn't the first time that we've seen this silent juggernaut at HHN Orlando. He's appeared in Bill and Ted's excellent Halloween adventure. He's also been featured, officially and unofficially, in some houses over the years, as well as he has had his own houses, such as Friday the 13th Camp Blood in 2007 and Freddy vs. Jason in 2015. Now, I'm assuming that this house is going to be somewhat of a compilation, a greatest hits of things that we've seen in the franchise over the years. And there's definitely a few scenes and things that I'm really hoping to see in this house. First and foremost, one of the most iconic jump scares of all time, zombie child Jason jumping out of the water and grabbing Alice at the very end of the 1980 original film. I can see it. I can see Halloween Horror Nights doing it real big in the water. We got the lake and the boat and Alice and, you know, can you see it? I can see it. I can smell the lake. One thing that I doubt will honestly make it to the house, but I really hope it does, is the damn enchilada scene from A New Beginning, just because it's hilarious. I mean, I just think that would be hilarious to, you know, oh, damn enchiladas running into the outhouse and then everybody's dead. That's beautiful.
You're gonna get it, bitch!
Another one that I would really like to see is the boxing fight from Jason Takes Manhattan. This one I kind of doubt we will see. From the description of the house, it sounds like we're just gonna be at the camp. We're not going to space. We're not going to Manhattan. We're in the woods, baby. So I doubt we'll see this. But if we do, boy, I'm gonna be like, you know, cheering that on. And one thing that I really hope we see, and I can almost kind of guarantee that we'll see just because it is one of the most iconic kills ever, is the sleeping bag scene from New Blood. And just a generic thing that I'm really looking forward to in this house is the atmosphere of Camp Crystal Lake and of the woods. If there's anything that Halloween Horror Nights truly knows how to do, is to immerse you into whatever it is, the story they're trying to tell, right? And anytime they've incorporated things that have been in the forest and in the woods, you're just surrounded by the trees and the fog, and they pump in those smells, and you forget that you're inside. So I'm very much looking forward to immersing myself into Camp Crystal Lake. And look, even if I don't see any of these scenes in this house, I'm still very, very excited to have Friday the 13th at the event. Fallout is a great show. It really is. And I get it, it's got a huge name and a huge following, but Halloween Horror Nights is about horror. And when it comes to sheer terror, I'm talking about a Mount Rushmore of horror characters and icons. Jason Voorhees is definitely up there. Now I'm thinking of the Mount Rushmore of horror villains, right? Which you could back that up and say, is Jason really a villain here? Is he? Is he? Because it was his birthday and they should have been anyway, that's a whole nother side rant. Mount Rushmore of horror villains and icons and characters. You got Jason, okay? You got Michael. You got Freddy. The fourth one. Ooh, I struggle with this, right? Because there's so many. There's so many that could round out the four. I think I'm gonna have to go Ghostface. I'll probably change my mind about that 5 minutes from now. I'm going Ghostface. That's my final four. That is my Mount Rushmore. I really hope the Rushmore channel is watching this right now, because they would appreciate that. So what do you think about this announcement? Are you ready to go to camp and come face to face with the hockey mask killer at Camp Crystal Lake? Let me know in the comments. If you're going to Halloween Horror Nights this year and you want to stay updated, you want all the details, the houses, the scare zones, what's happening at this year's event, you definitely want to stick around. And if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when new videos hit the channel, you'll be notified. And as always, thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you nerds in the fog!